Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process of how to enable tabs for File Explorer on Windows or Windows 11, right? So please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end so you don't miss any step. And thank you so much, first of all, for clicking on this video. And now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you have to do is to enable Windows 11. There's also another option. You can also use some apps or software. It's called Vive Tool, uh, and you can via this utility you can enable File Explorer, or you can enable tabs on Windows 11, right? But I haven't used any utility, any software. I just updated Windows 11. Now let me demonstrate to you. If I go here to the search bar and I write here File Explorer and I tap enter, as you can see this I have this File Explorer. I can add new tabs. You can also add new tabs. Control T, which is pretty cool, right? And now what you need to do is to um, simply open settings. So here, please tab on start, right click on start and select settings, and here please in settings please select Windows Update, and here in Windows Update we can check we can actually update Windows 11. You just need to tab on check for updates. Please check for updates, tab on this button, please do so. And after you checked on for updates and you you downloaded, you tabbed on the download. If you see any available updates, you just need to tab on download or install, and then restart your computer, right? So as you can see, I have also something related to Microsoft Defender, but for you should be like version 22H2, or I don't know, it's something related to that. uh, but let's say you updated and you have the latest version, and still you do not have and you don't still don't have the tabs. You can't you don't have that. In this case, please follow along with me. I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So here, very simple. You just need to go to GitHub, and I'll leave the link in the description. And you just need to tab on it. And now we have just downloaded this file. And now please tap on this arrow right over here and tap on show in folder. And here we have this folder. Please right click and please select extract all. Select extract. And now what you need to do is very simple. You just need to, after you extract it, you just need to copy the path. So tab on it, copy, and after you copy the path of this folder, you just need to open start, the search bar here, and please write in the search bar, please write command prompt, and right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Please follow along with me. Thank you. And now what you need to do is very simple. It's very simple. You just need to type this here, cd, and now you just need to paste the path of the folder we just copied. Please do so. And now just you just need to, by the way, if here just change the path of the path to the folder with your path, right? So don't copy my path, you just need to copy the path of your folder. And here please enter the, you just need to enter the commands. I leave the commands in the description of this video. This commands basically will enable File Explorer tabs, right? So let me show you. Sorry, I actually forgot to now here just please enter this command: successfully set feature configuration. And so please enter the following command so you can enable File Explorer tabs on Windows 11, right? So please do this. Okay, and now you just need to enter the following command, this one, to enable File Explorer new navigation panel. And please press enter. And now all you gotta do is just to restart your computer. And after you start your computer, now you should have tabs and new navigation panel design on Windows 11. And by the way, if somehow you decide to disable these changes or these features you like to disable, you don't want to use them anymore, you like to disable, it's very easy. You just need to, okay, so if you want to disable, let's go back to command prompt, run as administrator. Alright, run as administrator. And here please copy the path we just did. Alright, okay, copy the path again, and now enter. And now you just need to copy these commands. You need to enter these commands. The first command, enter. The second command, copy, paste, enter. The third command, copy, paste, enter. So now you just need to restart your computer, and now the change we made before should be reverted. So now you shouldn't have the follow the tabs, the File Explorer tabs, right? So that's the video. I hope I helped you through this video. Don't forget to subscribe. This will help me tremendously with my YouTube channel. I just started this channel, so please subscribe and like this video for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Take care. I hope you will have a great day.